In this video, we'll be talking about the nesting functionality within OptimumCNC CAM module. To access nesting, click on the CAM button in the top ribbon, and here we already have some file loaded in. So we've added a DXF file, and we've added some shapes from the built-in shapes library. And for more information how to add these shapes, or a DXF file, etc., you can consult the other videos titled Import DXF in the owner's links. However, here we already have some file, and we are on the second tab titled Nested Project right here. Within it, we can set our sheet size, so let's say 72 by 72. This will be our rectangle in red, into which these shapes will be fitting in. Let's remove a couple of them to make sure that we can fit all of them in. And now we can select our distance between the parts, let's say 1/4 inch, and select our rotations. So rotations are essentially the angles to which your parts can be rotated to. So for instance, if we select 4 rotations, that means 4 positions: 0, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and 270 degrees, to which each of these individual parts can be rotated to. If we select 8 rotations, that means that we can now rotate to 0 degrees, 45 degrees, 90 degrees, and so on and so forth. And then for 16 rotations, that's our maximum. This will allow you to more granularly adjust the rotation of each individual part. However, please note that for complex contours or for a large number of parts, we typically recommend sticking with 4 rotations, as this will allow for a quicker nesting procedure. Next, after we have added our parts, we can click the Start Nesting button, and after some time, the project will be nested. So here we have added these parts into our rectangle, and it is now constrained. Let's say we add some more files right here, perhaps from the shapes library, and let's say we click the 8 rotations button and press Start Nesting. Now we can see that these have been rotated to 45 degrees for some of these files, and that we have added more shapes to our nested projects. Once we are satisfied and we have checked that our cutting sequence, our leads, and our overall settings are correct, we can import this project by pressing the green button in the top right corner. From here on, we can press play as usual to start cutting this project. Thank you for watching.